Today we are discussing about the second task of TechnoHack internship in which we calculate summary statistics. We are using Titanic dataset for this task. As you know that Titanic dataset has two tables, test table and train table. Firstly, I'm using test table. So I'm uploading my test table using this method. Using this method, I've gained access to my PC and I uploaded my test file where I save it. And now I'm importing libraries that I have to use in this task, like Pandas and NumPy. And now I'm saving my test table into data. You can also choose instead of data, you can choose test or whatever what you wanted for your convenience, but I'm using data for saving my test table. And now you can see all the values in our test table, like their columns and their rows. I have seen that it has 11 columns and 418 rows of dataset, and now I am describing its summary statistic by using describe method. By using this describe method, we find the statistical summary like mean, median, mode, maximum and minimum value and percentile, first, second, third percentile values of all the columns that are numericals, like they have digits in their data, as you can see. And now I am uploading my train table by using the same method as I use for test table. And now we're not importing libraries because we already imported Pandas and NumPy library, so we did not need it. I'm saving this train table into data 1 because we already save our test table into data, so for difference I can save it into data 1. You either can save it into train instead of data 1. And now here you can see that we have 12 columns and 891 rows in our train table. Now I'm finding its statistical summary by describing method. And we also got the mean, median, mode, maximum minimum value and percentile, first, second, third percentile values by using the describe method, and we got this statistical summary of all the numerical columns that is on our train table. As you can see, like passenger ID has 891 columns and survive has 891 columns, age has 714 column, 714 values because the other values are the null in this column, and this is all the mean, median and other values as you can see. Standard deviation. And now our second task is completed for TechnoHack internship. Thank you.